let's have a look. Let's take the laces out first of all on these Air Force One trainers. Then we're going to start to draw on with a pencil the lettering outline that we want to achieve by the time we start painting the customization on the side of these Air Force Ones. Obviously you're going to need to clean down all the surfaces first of all to make sure it's nice and clean. Now we've got the outline, we're going to make this look like it's hot, like it's on fire, flamey. So we've got to start by first of all getting a good coating of the yellow base, which needs to go on. With that, you're going to be painting that obviously within the sketch that you've done for the letters, which is hot. So we've obviously got that done. We've left the center there on the O because that just wants to be the white showing through. And you just got to make sure that you get everything done nicely, a really nice, good, even coating using the sneaker paints. And it'll end up looking absolutely fantastic once it's done. So that's obviously got all the yellow done. So now we're going to be starting on getting the red outline done, as you can clearly see. With that, you've got to go around, draw a line. So you've got the outside edges done in red. And then we're going to thin the red down by taking it off on the actual edge of the paint pot to almost feather that out so it looks like it's on fire around the edges. So as you can see, we're not really putting on any more paint now. We're just carefully going around the outside edge, getting a little bit off the rim of the pot and making that very, very faint. So it's like going from dark red, it's a fiery red. So going from the sort of darker to much, much lighter. So it makes it look like it's nice and hot and almost like it's on fire. So it's quite a easy thing to do. Then we're going to start putting detailing around the seam area to give it the effect of flickering red flame all the way around it, almost as if it's in a ring of fire. So it's nice and hot within that ring of fire. These are obviously the sneaker paints that we do from Leather Repair Company. They're a fantastic product and, they're very durable. You can put cross-linkers in as well. You can also seal over the surface as well if you wanted to. So now what we're trying to do is add some of the yellow straight onto the red. So it mixes together so it gets a nice sort of orangey red yellow glow. And then we're going to start to sort of bring the flames up as if it's flickering fire. So it looks absolutely amazing, like the hot is bursting out of there. Next stage is we're going to get the black paint, because what we're going to do now, we're going to put a black line all the way around our lettering so it really stands out. So there you can see that going on, and it's going to really bring out the detail of the word hot and emphasize the actual structure to the T there. Then we're obviously going to go on to the O and then the H. So it really does bring out the structure, as you can see, and makes it pop and stand out. But the purpose of it is to make it look like it's coming out of a ring of fire with all the detailing around the outside. To do this, obviously, we are following an image. We've got a picture and an image, and we're actually just following that image and creating the scene. The image we've got is actually from an airbrush book, and it shows you it going through the stages. And the finished job looks absolutely stunning. That is using the Leather Repair Company sneaker paints. You can get those online, www.leatherrepaircompany.com.